The Gaspé Peninsula, located in the easternmost part of Quebec, Canada, is a breathtakingly beautiful region that offers a diverse range of activities and attractions for tourists to explore. This rugged and picturesque peninsula is surrounded by the Gulf of St. Lawrence on one side and the Bay of Chilla on the other, making it a natural wonderland that beckons travelers year-round. One of the most iconic features of the Gaspé Peninsula is the awe-inspiring Purse Rock, a massive limestone formation that juts out of the sea. Visitors can take boat tours to get up close to this geological wonder and even explore nearby Bonaventure Island, a bird sanctuary famous for its northern gannet colonies. Hiking enthusiasts can embark on the Mont Saint-Anne Trail for panoramic views of Purse Rock, the Gulf of St. Lawrence, and the surrounding landscapes. For history buffs, Gaspé is of great significance as it's the site where Jacques Cartier first landed in North America in 1534. The Gaspé Peninsula is home to numerous historical sites and museums that delve into the region's rich past, including the Musée de la Gaspésie in Gaspé City. Outdoor enthusiasts will find ample opportunities for adventure here. The Gaspé Peninsula is a haven for kayaking, whale watching, and fishing. The waters off the peninsula are teeming with marine life, and you might spot humpback whales, minke whales, seals, and even blue whales during a whale-watching excursion. The Gaspé Peninsula's rugged terrain also makes it a paradise for hiking and camping. The Forillon National Park, located at the tip of the peninsula, offers an extensive network of hiking trails that wind through lush forests and along dramatic coastal cliffs. Camping options range from rustic to modern, allowing visitors to immerse themselves in the region's natural beauty. In the winter, Gaspé transforms into a wonderland for snow enthusiasts. Snowshoeing and cross-country skiing trails abound in the national parks, while downhill skiers can hit the slopes at Mont Miller Ski Resort. Cultural experiences are also abundant in the Gaspé Peninsula, with numerous festivals celebrating the region's heritage and culture. The Gaspé Peninsula is renowned for its vibrant music scene, and you can catch live performances of traditional Quebecois music at various venues throughout the year. As for cuisine, don't miss the chance to savor local specialties like Gaspésian seafood, including fresh lobster, crab, and scallops. The region's culinary scene also features French-inspired cuisine, reflecting its unique blend of French and Canadian heritage. In summary, the Gaspé Peninsula is a captivating destination that offers a diverse range of experiences for travelers. Whether you're drawn to its natural beauty, historical significance, outdoor adventures, or cultural offerings, Gaspé promises a memorable and enriching journey that showcases the very best of Eastern Canada's maritime charm.